Papa, yabrewo. Yabrewo. Ediye na emada. Ediye na ensida.
Ma.
Eduro simpwa ne kapena atoma. Wense na odi ka menum. Unkoko unkranti ya wo sebwa ne ujata. Papa, yabrewo. Obi atwa tikiti di oba abesi akwetena brochi wato brochi te fie ama no. Me koma choka anko. Hwe, so wunnim na me ba no nsa sei eso ne mu a me police ache.
Unse me ko afu, unse na me kwan.
So me can send me prescribe for textbook for me exams.
Okay. Any ko center table no so me the 5 Ghana cedi atoso. Ko na ko fa na ko to book no. Why? Actually.
Bravo fi. Man ka say size book o. Me say textbook.
Enti textbook no. Me say me the 5 Ghana cedi ato center table no so ko na ko fa. Na ko to textbook ko. What? Eti me hu actually. Enso. E di asem kura ni a. Enso se me nya oden. Me na me so se du for chie bra be fa me na koto. Me so fa me na ton me na koto. Yan koto ayeda. Ade me kumi hu amamo. Minisika o me hu ska nyina asa. Ni aka me no me de ko ma ko se ne mame. No mo so di ahwe mo. Ate so me mpena.
Bra Kofi. Me na me ye wunua no. Me hia ska dia ko to book for me exams no. Wo di scan ko masa on pna ko so ne mame jale for no.
Wo yare wo. Me mpena na ho frɛ no say yare for no. Pepe popo. Say kan yampa. Sa akura won so ni obeso ose. Kokotwe. Afire wacha kokosne. Me nya mesika na me ye adwuma papa mfa ntwe me mpena ko so no. Wonsa ya wo ya. Eya wo ya. Akos. How are you doing?
I'm okay. How about you?
I'm fine. Oh, Akos, Why this face? I don't like seeing you like that.
Kofi, what do you want me to do? How do you expect me to be? Mom is lying down there. She can't even move or do anything. And I don't know what to do. What do you expect me to do?
What? She's still lying down?
She is. And the medical personnel say she can't do anything or get any better without the drug.
Jesus Christ. You know what? This is the money I promised you. It's not much, but just take this. It's not much, but you can manage, okay?
Thank you so much.
That's all right.
I don't know what I would have done without you. And aside you and Mom, I have no one else in this world, so I can't just watch her die. Thank you.
That's okay.
Thank you.
I love you so much. It's okay.
I love you too.
I love you so much. Hey, it's okay. Just, you know what? Just hurry, okay? Just leave me right now. Go and get her the medicine, okay? It's important to me.
All right,
just,
thank you.
I'll see you later. What?
Kofi, my mother is dying.
What about your mother?
She has fainted again.
Oh my God.
Kofi, please help me. She's at home.
Oh.
Kofi, please, let's go. Kofi.
Oh, baby, what is this? What is this? Jesus Christ. Ma. And all you're saying. Of course. Ma. Of course. Uni, Mammy Johnny go for taxi one, you ain't found clinics here. Why? Just take off. I'm coming right now. Okay? Ma. Me why? Let me get a taxi right now. Okay? Just take off. I'm coming right now. Why? Okay? Yeah, me did. Na idea na pese me deba.
But then I can't sanka oba fa brain.
Me dia koma akọ sinema me.
Ba hwe bibi ye. Se bibi ye here wo fo bi o so for koma sa girl ne ma me.
Na se ne ho onfa so sene. Bibi sini suna ade aye no. Eduane ni ho. Ye be hu me mfanama. Nya no msu. Bye. Kope bi da ho no. Ni o kire.
Uti ne ho afọ saa no.
Nyemja.
Eya o ya. Ti mi ya da baba.
Isi okọ mu ntia.
Uko dwala ya chichiri uti so me ne boko wa.
Many.
That's it.
Many.
Semensia. When yamma.
Ma. Oh, ma. We are so nice, my ferry.
Yamisha, what? What a room, ma. Oh. Meda was what?
That's it.
Yamisha.
Amen, ma.
Hey.
No. Just many a jepa say, Nemehu.
Na ya wuntia.
Send a wumpum tea.
Eye what a room, ma. Intina meti baby. And ya wanka sabrin kamache.
Oh, ma. Ma many a jepa papa. Na chese. Media empire na me bose. Chese debia da meko so enye sika. Me ye dumadene. Na metumi atime nim fifiri na menye sika ni bia den. Aboa wa hwe na masesa mo hyebrema.
Ei, me kura empire na me bo chen. Mr. Nyame nshira de man. Se de odo nsa beka bia wo no ba ye nyina bri na nya from.
Amen, ma. Chese me bompaya chese nyame mboa me na menye sika bi. Na mentumi emfa nkokoro kasim. Na menko sawo yare. Na menya bi nso mfa ma course enko school. Eti chese masan ji obi hye kura san ka ho a. Me san dokoko. Ma.
We misisi ye nhia wa. Wo bemma. Etra me so ye nyame amma no.
Me da sipa.
Se wo nyame wanyi wa amma me ne mabisu nya. Nke ye den.
Ma.
Wo nyame ene siesie wo de wo ma me.
Ma.
Se de wo ye me ba preko pe wo nyama se biem.
Oh, asio.
Minko na me obonu yo ase.
Wo ye mase ban wo ye me ba na wo ba esa. Aso be na be de wo ye.
Ma. Ma do ado. Hwe ne amaka.
Ebe ye. Na me na hin. What?
Oh. Mami. Asio.
Ai, wako ni wempra. Bemena. Wadaru mafatu ya mami.
Asio. Aje.
Ko. Au. Aiko.
Asio.
Yeah. Me da wase papa, ejedi aka ni o. Me sisa shemina na me kasa se ejedi aka ni.
Au, we da se minimo.
Papa.
Chese me ye adwuma kakra titenkusi ya do. Enua ya sia na mse o. We de me mbubu nua kakra. Efa mbra se o no. Won fa no aduane.
Nyame nhira o.
Eye mo an ho donti o. Oni akosu.
Ebe ye nden.
Edi mo ado.
Oh, ado ne de se ugusu a odo. Ebe ye why?
Yo mama. Na chase.
Pensu adware wa o.
Hwe. Me ko pensu adware. Na kusie bia na me pe. Me nsa so ni mu a. Kanu nti bi sinse. Ka me di.
I can't young baby, Papa.
Then capture mama.
Oh, that's it.
Yo. Na akoso.
Oh, Miss Yenny foul so do.
Oh, and
Of course, Miss on tongue will be Mrana. Yeah, be happy saving it.
Na we see a podi e fa me so a. Ewura mi mu.
Hey!
Odo ho an.
Yeah, my see them is Yana me when you men campo.
Oh, wa. Enti ye ne wokoto ade anya hwe we de menche. Me san kwafu no.
Ah, what's that kwafu?
Sa. Kwafu no.
Hey, and ye anchale ba na ewia no.
Wo se me no ba no egu so nti ese me ye ntem na. Me ye.
Ene na kwabra why?
Mate.
Ncheba.
Na me nya wo sa me san so de akonhoma ama. San wo sa no pa bia me bo akonhoma.
Ai, na dia asem kra nia. Ene we dia pese e dia di mu.
Enya asem keto. Ene se be de papa.
Ah, me beja
obi. Who don't you?
Why? Ye beja obi. San say obeba no. Na ja hwinko.
Mate.
Nti beja mama ko sabro.
Mate. Bombre mi be. Oba asem ba ha.
Sure, mate.
Asunie.
Master papa bi. Kobra manche o.
Mate. Asunie.
Kobra na wiana.
Wo ti na mi wu yo.
Enwu.
It's about time I buy the drugs for Mom. You know, every 5 days, if I don't buy it, she starts shaking. And right now I'm here, she's shaking inside. And I don't know what to do. Even my uncle who promised to give us some money has refused to send it.
Oh my God. Listen, she told me earlier. The last money I had on me, I used it in buying seedlings for the farm. You know what? Listen, I don't know what to do right now, but let me see what I'll do. Maybe I'll go around and ask my sisters and see if they can lend me some money. All right? Let's hope some miracles will come out of this.
Okay.
Of course. Calm down, everything will be fine. Okay? All right? I know everything will be fine, all right? Let me quickly rush and go and get this money. Listen, of course, let's hope some miracle will come out of this. Okay? You'll be fine. All right? Hey, put yourself together. Just go and see your mother right now. Just go and take care of her. I'll be with you soon. Okay? Quickly. Of course.
Okay.
All right? Go.
Bra, I didn't know what sublime when him say. Ongasa. Bra Kofi. Ane.
Sis, enye ako sending mommy. Mommy na ho popo aka na chese wo popo bribri wo so na chese wo twahwe. Wa collapse you. Man nantia me pemwa sika kakra bi na chese me dia mako so de to e drama ni mommy na ordinary hospital. Minya bi intina chese wo se mumu ye me sisters intin maba se ka mumu am bibi kakra na ka me fa nkoma no na ofa ni mommy hospital. Why? Please.
Inti bra ben pa na wo boy. Sisi anu bra papa ben pa na wo boy. Abranti a wesi so. Ama me papa di eja wo se hwen. Just won fi en crampo. Sometimes ye be di cry ye de man. Hwe kokko hu na efu sei. Won pesike bi na fon koma pa fo no mo ndo ho. Akotwe mpena. Na da wuto eduro. Every week bi wuto eduro. Adai wo ye dinsini. Wankasa wujima wankasa hwene asase afena asase kura be mate se wonye sika kura na watobi me mo de me ni bi o ka plempo me ni bi so afia no wo de ama wo de fine
Me afia. Sister, me wo bi crank me fama no. Man kan cho da no djuma brad di me wa ha sei. Ma miskan koto book for me exams. Sister wanye. Obi na adrom me awa miska no. Me fama no. No fan come name plano. Man fan go here na me yale phone won. Me ni bi.
Oh. Sis. But you are my sisters. Mom boy me owu.
Oh, it's already sounds like as Papa review. Okay, good news. At least Sasika when you now say no to me abua no they are toss no they sit down.
Eti mama ningu.
Nyoko.
Hey. Is that how you are? Sis. 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 Chief Justice. Chief Justice. Oh, uni ame ba ho. Sorry. Sorry. Hey, who na tell us ano? Abrabo yo.
Na se.
Hey, abrabo ye ma wo. Tu who na tell na oda sa ano? Oh, masa. Oh.
Kofi ma bro. Abre. Chale. Boko dia.
Uni enyo. Ya semo. Manante sa minya mo bia ma bre kra. Ya ko se ma me yare yo. Chese. Ni ma me yare na samba bio. Mami ya hopopo aka no Owusu bri. Asura aka na mami wu. Nti chere ma nya sika ami afa nkoto adroma mami bi ma. Mami wu ana owu. Yese makobe bia me nya mo bia ne se me san ba ho na. Mesrewa na chese wo ye madam fo brebo ba ko pe. Ya Chief Justice min do ho agro.
Kofi min twa no. Kofi. Baby awudi su ko no. Eye ho hodeda.
Oh.
Sesa min ni bi. Sesa sem ni ntin kwa dia min ni bi. Oni abrabo won to kwa na.
Oh.
Debi sese na nka dangote num ne despite mu bo bra nka sei na anka be wiom sa because abrabo na wo bo no Kofi. Wanka se woni tuase abrabo fu na wo bo no. E di abrabo no. Debi oni abrabo wa asem ana mi bisa oni abrabo wa asem.
Oh, na se me nuane wo nti ma ba ho na bibia ni a. Se me se nche na me kokoo na so. Na nka me di ni nra bom.
Debi Kofi ye mo abrabo sa. Ewiase ne woni ye mo ne sa.
Minye ni paketo asa o.
Debi sengeye na nka wo beji sika no kura na nka wo di ye japade bi mpo anka fine. Minua no nka wo ba nka me de beboa wo. Na so wo di wo ba wo de wo beji sika ko hwe yarefo. E ba ye no ne se na ami. Hwe de wadwa ma onsema titiriti. Ni na mfa so be mpa na wenya free so. Die mpa na japade a adoyi mu wo di aye. Like den na wenya free adoni mu. Wo dwa na de akoma obi adi. Oba ye wo bo ne wo kai. Wo ware no. Nware no. Na ye bo bisiampo e de hwe yarefo. Mi bisa o ye bo besia de hwe yarefo. Abrabo wo bo ne nye.
Hey, for the take me picture. This there's me to the drip. For the take me. I'm a side but poison. Don't do try, I'm not joking. I'm serious, I'm not bragging. I'm serious, I'm not bluffing. I'm a shy but poison. Don't do try, I'm not joking. I'm serious.
How are you? I am Jason. I'm Caleb.
I'm Yaba.
Is that your friend?
Yes.
I really like her.
Okay.
So try and talk to her, okay?
I should talk to her for you.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll try.
Good. I like that one. Try. This is my friend. My friend. He's from the city. This phone, you see the phone, you see the swag. This phone is $1,000.
$1,000.
You see, you don't see that money before. So try. Why? Just talk to her. I like that way. Try. Maybe later on I'll also try on you.
Bye-bye.
Alright, bye. Be nice, girl. Hey, you get this. You take that one. You give me some money. Me too.
Why would you keep me waiting for so long?
Relax now. See, I have good news for you.
What is it?
You see that guy? Those guys there. The very fair one.
He said he likes who?
He likes you.
Me.
Me. Of course you eh.
And what did you tell him?
Then I'll talk to you for him.
Yaba, why are you behaving like this? You know it's only Kofi that I love. Kofi. I'm not going to look at any other guy apart from Kofi. Kofi is the love of my life, and I expect you to understand this. Why do you want to link me up to some other guy?
Hey, better money has come. I'm telling you something. I'm saying Kofi. Kofi. See, did you see?
Yeah, but leave me. Listen to me. This should be your very first and last time you try this on me. If you ever try to do this again to me in your life, and you're not like me, what's the meaning of all this?
No, so are you shouting at me?
Please.
Hey, Akos. Mr. Caleb, you see, the only issue that Akos has is her mom. You see, her mom is a sick lao. So it's like she's always going to the hospital and then many needs. So it's like Kofi is the one providing for all those needs, you see. So if your friend, as you are saying, is rich, can provide for all those needs, I will talk to her. I'll make her accept it.
It's like you are not getting who I'm talking about here. If the reason why Akos is being loyal to Kofi is because of money, then she doesn't have a problem. Because this guy we are talking about is madly rich. Seriously. Do you get it? All she needs to do is just to accept this guy that, oh, I love you too. Then that's all. So please try and do that. Okay? As for the hospital bills, those things are nothing. This guy will sort them out. Why? Mr. Wa? Okay?
No problem. You see, the thing is, you have to settle me too first. Then I go and settle a course. I can't go and do the work for free. I have to see the richness. Then I'll know that a course is coming into richness.
You finish with a course. Caleb, how far with the movement? No, you mean a course movement? Yeah, I'm serious. Charlie, I talk to that thing that Bikoko give me. I go do investigation. But you see, the main problem be the girl in mother. Because the girl in mother be sickler. Where be the Kofi guy where if he gather some small money, they help a course maybe take help in mother. So according to information, the whole thing, the girl in loyalty to Kofi be sick of the money Kofi they give them. So I talk about say make no fear. As if it's be sick of money where the girl they love Kofi there, then that will not be problem. Because I know say you go do them.
Some money be their problem.
Money be the problem.
Then they don't have problem.
You see, if you talk like this and then you make my heart easy, I believe you.
Akos. Why are you crying?
Yaba.
What's wrong?
Yeah, but my mom is dying. My mom is dying. And I can't seem to find money to buy her drugs. Even Kofi. Kofi was supposed to help me. Is also going up and down. And he can't find anything.
You know what? Stop crying.
I can't afford to see mom die.
Is she inside? Don't worry, See, I have some 100 CDs here. Will it be enough?
Yeah, but it is more than enough.
What are you waiting for? Let's go and buy the drugs.
Where do you get the money from?
Akos, that's not important. Let's go and get the drugs.
Akos.
Yes.
Hey.
What?
Hey.
What?
I'm shocked. Like, the way you're looking all fine and good, and like, see how your cheeks have popped up. My God, what's the secret?
There's no secret. Oh, come on. There's no secret.
Me and you.
I know. There's no secret, Kofi.
Right. So tell me, how were you able to buy the medicine for your mom.
You know Yaba, my friend?
Yes.
Yes. So I was just sitting here, crying as usual, when she came to meet me. And I told her everything. Then surprisingly, she just gave me the money. I was shocked.
Yaba. Give you that money. Wow. Anyways, boy, I appreciate it. It's good. Yeah. That's a good gesture. Okay. Now listen, I promise you, I'm just gonna let you pay her back. Okay? Yes. You know, this cocoa season, I am going to sell everything. All right. I'm going to make a lot of money out of my cocoa, and I promise I'm going to take her to Accra and give her the best of medical treatment.
Kofi.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
A professional cocoa crasher like me. Don't worry, I'm going to take her to Accra. Like, she'll be fine.
I owe you my life.
Oh my God. I love you so much, baby.
Thank you.
Come on, I love you so much. I'm going to do all this for you. Like, can you imagine?
I know you
best
do it.
Cocoa crasher of our town. I'm going to sell everything, give you the money. What else you think?
I know, right?
Exactly. So don't worry, I'm just going to do this.
I owe you a lot, Kofi. You know that.
I know.
I owe you my life.
Akusha.
Yes.
I also do same.
Aww.
That's why I'm going to work out myself. Okay? And give you all the support you need. Hey, can you think of it?
Yes, thank you. Yaba, thank you so much for yesterday. You saved my mom's life.
My dear, what are friends for? Eh? Your mom is equally my mom. And then we have to do everything to make sure she survives.
Aww. That's so touching. I'm so grateful, Yaba. But wait, come to think of it. Where did you get the money from? Yaba, is it that your mom sent you and brought it to me? I'm sorry, I'll pay for it, okay?
My mom, that money was a gift from that city guy I told you about, Jason.
You mean he dashed it to you and you brought it to me?
Dashed it to me? For what? It was a direct gift from him to you.
Yaba, are you this wicked?
Oh.
You know I don't want to take money from any other person apart from my Kofi. I don't want to do anything to hurt Kofi. You should have told me, and I would have found another way to get the money and bought mom's drugs. Why would you do this to me?
Do what?
Do what, saying?
I was really trying to...
Please.
Of course.
Of course.
Yes.
I called you here to give you the money that I promised to give to you. To give back to Yaba.
It's no more necessary.
What? What do you mean by that?
I told Yaba I was going to give it back to her. But she said it was a gift from her to us. So, she doesn't need it.
What? Yaba. Akos, do you understand what you're talking about? What work does she do that she will dash you a whole 100 Ghana cedis? Huh?
Kofi, I don't know. Maybe it's just one of those things. I don't know.
Really? Okay. My friend, take the money and just go and give back. Go and give it back to her.
She doesn't want it.
Hey, Akos. She na want to makuma say ntoso. Na mafa wo don overdose.
Kofi.
Akos. You see, right now, the main issue at hand is your mom and her sickness. You remember you told me that the doctor said that her sickness can be treated. Just that it will be expensive. And he even said that if you don't have the full money to make full payments, that sickness can be managed, which will be more expensive. And of course, Kofi is trying, but his best is just not enough. See this handsome rich guy, Jason. He's all over you. And of course, Jason is God sent too. He is ready to do everything possible for your mom to get well. He doesn't really care about the location. Jason has the money to take care of your mom, make sure she gets better. So that I know you want to go back to school, don't you? Of course. So you also go back to school. Come and be the doctor that you also want to be. Of course. Or is it village life that you want? Kofi. Village burger. Of course, me, I'm telling you as a friend though. If you sit on this, I love Kofi, and your mom is to die, what will you do? Of course. Who are you going to blame? Is it me? No, tell me, is it me? Of course, reason up, oh. Me too, for Feminia.
So ladies, welcome to my humble abode.
Thank you. Jason, you know I told you I was bringing my friend Akos.
Yeah.
So Akos. Jason.
Nice meeting you, Akos.
Nice to meet you too.
Well, Akos, I really like you a lot. And I think we can have a bright future together.
You think so?
I know so. Sure. Akos, I don't like the dresses you're wearing. I've got you some nice dresses here. Yeah, I think they'll fit you. Okay.
Nice, thank you.
Fia, you better for bread and bread na dear son. Oh, meba. What the daddy? Bra.
Matome. Yes.
Bra.
Kasa na aduane na hyemenum.
Bra. Asem mama ti wo krom ha. Me kra da no me hu ya malama hye da mfa. Bra, unim se wo girlfriend Akos. Boy bia ba krom ha se ya se twio ni na etwi so ha no. Unze. Some nice guy be. Sisi Akos ni boy na etwi so o.
Fuck. Come on. Adiano. Ha? Adiano no. So one ka wanu anto ho. Adia me ye no. Efia call di mi ba. Efia Dubai. if you buy a coat, I think I put this at 70 day way. For you, what in the union? I didn't know her who went Cabicho Union. Some Funa Mudi Mohano, say a Kayampa.
Bra, any crew. Me, I'm meeting I may channel the area, no more bow more details. As some way, 10 or Cromha. Yes, a boy, if you're winning and when no fairness, a call one or to go out to son of no. Should I say I asked my 10 or town, how could be a crack to crack?
But one for Miss Susu, I did one of the Janica Sabin.
What was no can I?
Me did it, Janica Cram with the Messiman media, more Yana Mudibo, Cassam, and maybe an Asamenu. I didn't know 2 years here by Anoso. Why would then?
What's the other one? And obvious, obvious, and you're quite to be by your cousin to crutch out.
Maybe me, I must walk on make you Asamakwa. Wasn't a wire would you do for Chi? Wako. I don't go be a tree so kind of many bidianke. And yet, once why a problem and I didn't change. Maybe a mouse candy. Have my bremo. See, I'm a mayon, I'm in Anamaha. Madame pressure and a bed in Gumiso. Move on, so, means no honey, jealousy, and funny bay yanking.
I'm going to try me out.
Hey, that's it, bloody man.
Oh, man, but you can't hire it, man.
Hey, yay, me then my babu pio. What am I saying, man?
Oh, wow.
Now, the better work all day.
Man, but you walk on, I mean, I can bear a coast.
Oh, of course, we were demo until me cramming in Sabia or Wabantania. Timmy, baby, I want facet.
I think a baby. And I'll be a friend. I think.
Manchester, in sending a method to Kruma.
In some bene, how war. Medicare catch yourself, we me back. Into the baby, how known to be country woman. Eh? Free woman, Naka, the how be a Sako soon, how Mammy.
Net cratchy be I say, what back room na me tete wa around and then I'm crew who say a course na chese be man no na chese what two no na course so atia hwini dum na chese one no twempe na wo 119 na to free crew kese mo abaku
ya piesie kan wanu tum na entumi mponsi akosu jese mewu se metin kwama me wa hoodi sesei wontumi nya saa ensimpo ebi si da ewo mi wiase ame ba sa kosu mi ama kosu amede na chewo
hwedo amado ewo fuo mu ho da me da ho ni mponche ni nwan samye obra me bre koko sika ise nia mete hwese na me hwe o yare
hwan no ne wono be sa chempe no
ma
bi ensi
inura meto hospital akoniaba ma na se ne be ya me pa de ama
bi ensi ntu de jama me ade no medical de na cha odada na fe de ebiem woni obi ani apede woni obi ani ho asem bisa wodi apede kope
ma
oh mane hawa
ntu se me
feel okay papa woni nyo ho
ma me de me rain na show mu me de me ni ato ni
me wo ho ma what
aso so akasa mate na me de me ni ato anim
sure
isan se no krepa ma ebe me ya makoma mu papa ebe ha me pa
e madwini we hu e me fa akoma yale ento ho so pa wo show wadawro ma papa
ma
ye
tesa nyampa
enyampa nsoso
yo asio
bonto ye
Mommy. Mommy.
Me bay.
Mommy.
Me bay me se menshia. Me baba ko pebe men.
Ne aye die. Ka me bo akọ ho makakra.
Sa. Ye wotiti nyina echi no.
Tese na mabumbuyi.
Emu nso emu abemumu.
Isa de me hope o mu.
Emu abemumu we ne de. We ye betu ya wufuo mama na bra obi mpo
matema mu vampim fufuo na tese mundi mame me da se ma mani asudi
me baba ma ba ko pe ene baba wai Hey! Oh, there be a course one has what she see ye. So now won't cry the Owusu saying, Oko for Bema. I the Bema cross the neck what's in Uncle Baby, Papa. Hey.
We all wear masks, everyone, every day. Sometimes we wear them so much and forget who we really are. And sometimes if we are lucky, someone comes along and shows us
Kofi.
How many times did I call you?
3.
How many times?
3 times.
Okay. I'm going to ask you a question. And I want you to tell me every truth. Tell me every truth I need to hear about this matter. I've been hearing, that this news going around viral in this village. That you're dating this city guy. People spot you going around, moving around, hopping around, chilling with this guy. You're having some good time. I don't want to believe it's true. That's why I called you here to ask you. Is it true or not? Because remember all my struggles, all the pains I've gone through, all the jobs I've done and fed you and your family with. Everything, all my harvest, I've given you and your sick mother. My cocoa sales, all the crops I've sold to take care of you and your mother. Of course, if you don't remember this and you fail me, then it's not worth it. I better end it all. So tell me every single truth I need to know.
Kofi, how can you even think this way? Yes, the guy approached me and he made his advances. But I haven't told him anything. I didn't give him any reply. Kofi, you know you are the only one I love. Kofi, I've seen all the struggles you've been going through to cater for my mom and I. And I don't see myself leaving you for some other guy. Please.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure.
Do I take you by your words?
Please do. Do. You know I love you.
You know I have all my hopes in you. And I want this to work. It is my wish that this works. Of course.
Please. It's okay.
Put your head. I love you. And I'm counting all my hopes in you. That this will work and bring a better family out of this. I love you.
I love you too.
Someone comes along and shows us who we really are.
Are you sure you are going to take your mother to the city for treatment?
That's the least I can do. That's nothing.
Thank you so much. I'm so happy. Thank you.
Let's not forget. There's this layer one.
That's all you ever want in your life. Every second, every minute, every day.
In days, $500.
You realize you alone could do every little
BRONI SIKA. All for me.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
You see, that drink you gave Yaba and I the last time.
Yeah. Alright. Give me a second, I'll be back, okay?
Okay.
Alright, here you go.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I like it too. It was really nice.
Yeah, don't worry, there's more.
Hey.
Anytime you come, I'll give you one.
Okay. Then tomorrow I'll come and I'll take one. Then the next day to be like that.
Mommy Shay. Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine, though. How about you?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm looking for Akos all over the place.
Akos?
Yes. I'm looking for her, but I don't know where about. And moreover too, I've been to their house. I asked her mom, and it seems nowhere can tell me where exactly she is.
Akos?
Yes.
Well, Kofi, I think it's high time I told you this. So, Akos is now seeing one guy from the city.
What? What do you mean by that? What do
I
you
mean, Akos is now dating one guy from the city. Kofi.
Do you understand what you're talking about? What do you mean by Akos is dating one guy from the city?
I mean, Akos is now dating one city guy.
And why haven't you told me all this while?
Me? Tell you. Me so. I didn't want to interfere in your relationship with Akos.
Listen, do you have an idea of what you're talking about? Yaba? No, do you understand what you're talking about? Yaba? Yaba? No, but you're supposed to explain this. Yaba? Yaba? Me? Honestly? Hey. Now, where are you coming from? And what is it that you are hiding? Nothing. What is it that you are hiding? Let me have it. Let me have it. Hey, if you move an inch, they will slap you. You have no idea.
Kofi, what is your problem?
I said stand there, don't move an inch. You want to try my patience? If you move an inch, soon be out. Watch it. Let me have it. Come on. Let me. So this is what you've been drinking? Pink. Of course. Who gave you this expensive wine?
How is that your business? What's your problem?
What's my problem? You are my problem. Hey, one come on to make jump with this one. Huh? You are my problem, and this is another problem. Let me have it.
If you stop.
Of course, let me have it. From it. From it. If you don't, let me have it. From it. I'm sick in your head. Me timi sika and show now. Who be going to buy me so? Hey, Akos, what is this? Hey, Akos, Doris. So this is a kind of foreign currency you're enjoying. So the guy is feeding you. The guy is spoiling you, right? That's why you're changing towards me. Akos.
What's your problem, Kofi? What's your problem? After all, have you married me? Have you paid my bride price? What's all this?
Hey, Akos, come here. Come on here. Make soup. Come on here.
Ma. Shit. I said, "Padi ami da bachi." Oh, tobo. Oh.
Now they went so oh,
then party.
Now they quite. Me the above here, me
the free he. Unsa. Abranti no fi krokesi mobile. Na wo se ma me koye.
Ti Kofi ba ha, and some will be some yam simi nim ho hwe na me mente say no kre.
Ma forget Kofi.
Me forget Kofi. It is some Kofi ba ha baby sami a. Me se mente ho hwe me nim ho hwe say no kre. Akosu. And then the one you be a friend forget. Ha Akosu. Oh, saya kayampa. Udi be ni papa no. Kafata aboa na ye no. Hey. Abrantie bra wa bra me no mienu hu ofie hai. Ene de me forget no. What na no we? E kan bibia to ye so e benya yi o. So enya e wo so ka do. Ko fa musuo e de abra ye ofie ha. E de na hawa. Hey, kan fa ni papa de koma no. So le ma ona ma to na sore. Ma. Kasa yu mu ne tudom. Ana pete ma sa se da hokwa. Aboa na eno. Come from what? Hey, abo.
Me say abranti ya ye kan ho asem atwewi. Esebeni o. Ne ho fe. Na ho ne skin. Ye. Na owo sika so. Me ka sika nye sika ye hu ni bi no wo sika nkasa. Ma, sika like. Na ho ni ka no so ama. Oh.
Hey. Ya bo se ho ani. Sese o chese chinchine twan. Waji ayiri mu se me mane wale akosu. Sese enti. Na se onim se akosu so oni obi ne ho. Me ye dem ma wo bi tumbe wale akosu kwasa. Wo sika, onu wo se no wo se. Ha o. Ni sika no wonim bebi efiri.
Enye no ne asem no ma. Bebi onya ni sika ni free. Enu mfa e ho. Ne ehia ne se wenya obi obehwew na oyare ne tumi akọ na miso no mato aso na makọ mi school udi apene so gina ase na bebi onya ni sika ni free no nya sem.
Akosu na eka sei akura nyina wase wo de hye
ampa o ma bebi na wo sore o yare da dem ne ye chinchina peska kofi ya o nem he ska no ahia na wo ahia na ma wo fifi Ghana kra mpo nyampo ma ye
mema be ye bi o
ma obeye bi o ba Jason we na e ka na ho asem no obeye ni nyina ma
hwe kofi hwe bra kofi abebre ye ho wo fi ha wo suja wo so banche wo so bode wo so aso akrante nyina de bre ye
Ma forget kofi den na kofi aye e den na kofi aye o ti hwe sisi ana me kofi o so ma me 50 pesos mi nya Chenchi sa ma penade no safe na ogina say ye kofi aden kofi na aden mo
so bia mi o na bia mu bia me ko na ho atoro
Hey, Akos, why do you think you're going? You're looking like this.
Would you please tell me why you are here?
What? Are you talking to me like that? I should tell you why I'm here? I'm asking you, why are you going here and you're looking like a...
Kofi, is that one for me?
Yes, it's for you. It is for you, Akos. I am shocked and disappointed in you. Okay. Akos. And what is it that I'm hearing about this SIKA you're going out with?
Kofi.
Akos.
As you know, or as you can see, I'm very busy. And also in a hurry to go and meet my baby. So I can't keep him waiting. Excuse me.
Go. Get out of here. Come on. What do you mean by that? I am talking to you. Your Kofi. Your Coco Cratchet. I'm talking to you and you dare walk off me? Are you crazy?
Kofi.
You are talking to me like that.
Kofi, let me warn you. If you ever in your miserable life drag me like the way you did, I'll report you to the chief's palace. If you like, write it on the wall. Excuse me.
Akos, come back here.
We all wear masks, everyone, every day. Sometimes we wear them so much and forget who we really are. And sometimes if we comes along and shows us who we really are, or who we should be. We all wear masks, everyone, every day. Sometimes we wear them so much and forget who we really are. And sometimes if we are lucky, someone comes along and shows us who we really are, or who we should be.
One Kwame Beats.
It's love in the air.
Yes. It's a flicky music.
That's the time you fall in love, when you meet that special one. That's all you ever want in your life. Every second, every minute, every day. That's the time you know it's you. You realize you alone could do every little single thing by yourself in your life. That's when you are in love. Love, love, love is in the air. Love, love, love is in the air. Love, love, love is in the air. In the air, in the air. Love, love, love is in the air. Love, love, love is in the air. Love, love, love is in the air. In the air, in the air. When this happens, you feel so secure.
What is wrong with you? Brakofi. How did they Nancy?
Bra, what is wrong with you? Kofi, what is wrong with you? Kofi, please. Then so for more. Mom and Papa, where? Baby, at your man, are they okay? Kofi.
Brakofi. I don't know my she say.
Anna, I have to be more. No, I'm not saying church where the narco to hospital will be more. Of course. Kofi, please tell us something there. Say something to us.
Enti baby a wutini. Enti baby a wutini. Say asem na metitete no eyampa no kre. I see. Eti ha na wote e na course. Wo pusa sento mago. E na ye no mo. Sangwa mo. Grachi. Wo ba na to oni me no. Do you know her? That is my wife. That is my wife. I have spent my entire life, my investment, taking care of her.
He's telling lies. He's not my husband. He's just a guy who brings us firewood in the house.
Of course. Me. And today, me, I am one guy. Me, one guy. Hey, for me to treat from what it is one to Anyama and then Kumo. What whoopee? Say me, one guy. Me, some guy. Let me blame you. Hey, Krachi. Whoa, if you care to know, I have spent my entire life, my whole investment on her. Her sick mother. What would people catch him? Maybe one guy.
How much have you spent so far? Say it, I'll double it. I'll double it.
How much have I spent so far? What boy beast? So I know when you said Tebri Council. Why when you more hurry, say Kaswa Council? How much will you pay me? You pay with Triso and we'll pay with Pampaso. What it? When you flock and feminim, may sueni swammer. What it? Do you know how much I invest in here? What whoopee? So how much will you invest in here? And you even think you have a place? You think you have a place staying? I will show you a lesson. Some official cocoa cratchy. Oh, Chroma. One team in come. You have not heard of me? What? So I say, let me find go. Let me go to Mudomo.
Do you know I am my house?
I'm in your house. You, do you have a house? What's your pantalos and the gedon? Now tell him where a bema. Won't you wear a bema? You think you have a place staying? I will show you a lesson. Some many official cocoa cratchy. Oh, Chroma. One team in come on. You have not heard of me? Hey, come on, that's another way of Wedgman. Hey, what am I saying? Go to Mudomo.
I'm going to bring my gun. I'll teach you a lesson. You.
Hey, you're going to bring a gun. You got Swati. Who want to catch himself is going to bring a gun. May go bring a gun. Wait, I also show you I'm the general cocoa cratchy here. Many official butcher milk. Can I be who can bring your gun? I'm going to be who want to offer Ganaba. Who want to offer Ganaba. Now you're seeing a Bible. What's your Maya? What are you trying? Let me also bring my member. Come and say,
we all wear masks, everyone, every day. Sometimes we wear them so much and forget who we really are. And sometimes if we are lucky, someone comes along and shows us who we really are, or who we should be. We all wear masks.
Anu kureni, we need to remember you need now. Many yagani. Say, Aquano, war dream no wo miano. War boaco sargent. Say, as a no correct. Wo miano.
Of course.
Missy me need to your muti. A branten or bonus sergeant. Of course. Now, me make a can, ya. A branten or catch red, never say. Now, make a den on my so bad. Maybe a come aboard in Munino. Make up with this kind of a man. No sign check and Vama me cocoa crazy coffee. On Vama. Na branted Juman no more. So Pame Sopano say a wound be no cover for who penny which another in the bar.
Cratchy, Michel.
I saw,
hey, and Flamasso.
I saw Patrol Tanasica.
Mr. Flamasso, and you was say enemy. Quan best on away, Massy.
Oh, so you must say.
Wo will you massy? Oh, a summer came to with them. Maybe I know what any here. Why the Jacula we ma warrior, Papa? What to be banning it is after what to mammy? Ma
cochi me yiri, our branty no hoa. We say branty and said all bonus.
Hey, when the ma wakunya, and it to me say, qua branty and as one cushion am no, if ye. I saw, oh, I saw said, Nasa cause you are me. Of course you are here, you are can't with them. His son say, what about me crono? Me free up and me corner now. I will catch them and say, Crumia. So would you me yancho? A blanket and so wouldn't know 2 nights in the few hours. 1 more to Dimayam. I saw me, and for so be any say at the mount. I saw me. I saw. I mean, can't you want to me Baham make a kawajan chain? What a what do you make a kawajan chain? If I some kind of the Oyano. What to me make a kawajan fan chain? Oh, and cow by a dang Magadia. What's your no? I would dinner wait. Wo emaba wa kwa ware ema ne si wo mu yie ema ye hwe wo mo ma bi ka ebusun bi no ema ya ye ti kuro mu ha ye wale ema ema hwe wo mo no wo che wo mo wo che wo mo antobure wo che wo mo ana wo sifie ana wo nua be ma na eku ne ho ama wo na wo ku ne ho ama obi a wo be kasa aso da ma wo jale wo ba bie wa no ma hwe wo Mr. Waba, be one of me set away. The big shim when you saw. Oh, you bet my pamony and Cassa, and my cat to Mrs. Woodim. You see a blank and 1 minute. I saw say, was soon in for so be at the mamma in me. Me, Brother say, I saw what's new. I saw Oshamako. I saw Jamonco, Jamonco. If you are not brand, Yama won't know mammy yarfo in Yachino. And then they say now the channel car. Why nay yarfo? Oh, mammy yarfo now. Every week you be all trust me in the hospital. I'm brother in the cocoa chicken in our Shannon. What's some that make a show? Just why a year? Oh, okay, why a year? When I go for it's in your DNA. Nya would it shani can ye any akumati broken hearts. So what soon akumeni, meboa. Kashan could do. And why soon and soda? What's it? Sunday we are born, Sunday show to better. Nemum, my mamma warning. Must a winning
na se wunnim na se bibi to me bra na ade ya me de be ye no wo be nu ho ah che se wa ye wo wura che se nda de me bra show che se na wo gina ho ah nda wo so wa baso wo akos na wa na ni wa ase che se wa baso sister to bo ase wo dia me ko na me ka so se wunnim na se bibi to no who be the gina ho wo dia me de be ye
Pacho me hwe akos.
Oni ho.
Pacho anka me ba no ho kakra o.
Unti twi wa hu. Nipa no me se woni ho. Nti woni wo na obehwe no obede hu no. Kache.
Ma pacho, ma. Aso Akos. What do you chess abe man? Akos. Mishia wo undressy say. Enche mini hot to say cry. Enfen shia meda.
What to be a mameda?
Mimi ndo koko. Ento me doma machine. Enfa mi sika nto nro. Enfa ncho no mame. Ene de me na asini. Ene be bia wo ko bia me ma nko biom. Me du ko mi fie ho. Me no ko hye me demo. Na wo no. Ma stopo. Me du ko mi fie na all this sexy body way. Woso nya wo de ko kire no no ayiwa na wade na yego tumu domo no ukoyi e de a kire me ene
When Jane Sema okay me dey be show any subia
ka be shoko come on jina won me kike bin kire what do you mean who is angoto ena wo
ma
kwasia
ma
Edie na ekoso
ma bra betie na okeka kire me wa ha
edie na ekoso
can you imagine
edie na ekoso
ma
enfreme
o aso
enfreme so me ba no na one day adan akoso yakọ
me no frame krachi Sandra, let me talk to you.
Hey!
What do you mean?
Hey, me catch that me ban say onko a wose dey akoko.
Oh ma say my baby, me baby. Hey, come here. Hey, baby, akos.
Why? Nka so ni mu mama hwe. So wo ye be ma na ka so no mu a. Ka ne mama we hunu mema.
Aso.
Nka ne mama wo hunu say be ma bi wo ho a wo chen wo.
Aso.
Adai.
Aso nti enro baby bia mato ma fufuo ni nkranti ama ma ayi ofie he.
Hey.
From me krachi.
Papa, ya brewo. Ya brewo. Ede na e ma da. Ede na ensi da.
Ma.
Eduro simpo ne kapɛ na atoma wense na odi ka menum. Unkoko unkranti e wo sebo ne wo jata. Papa, ya brewo. Obi atwa tikiti di oba abesi akwetena brochi wato brochi de fie ama no. Me kama choka anko. Hwe, so wunnim na me ba no nsa sei eso ne mu a na me police ache.
Ma me nya siche yare a wo no ba no na mo di ma me o. Mama me nya depression mo na wo di ma me.
Oh papa. Na mpo no. Wadampo na sa wo so da ya. Me ba ni twomati wani. Wunnim na hu me ba no sunsu na do na esi mu akrache. Police be chewo.
Ma me nya siche yare o me nya depression ma. We say mama me diabetes yo.
Eni obenye egu. Misro. Where do you call Mokwe? A radiant Coponcha Malamoso. The Mubeye Bia Shira. Ako, so my mammy will back up pese. Until I didn't hear me Cassica pan say, Mokwe, Mube wo. Would your moon no one famina and mumreme? Hey, when you were more, when you wouldn't animal, when you were ma, would be able to say, me no me no pay. I could miss throw. Mokwe, now brassier, and what do? Bemena, Miss Row, Yamin Shrow. The ones who are shooting in I ready and find shower name what it.
Oh, amen.
To Mummy and Quay. Now, dear son.
Merci.
Eh, no window no. Coffee. I'm just saying why I'm about too. Nine so ben, o can't be. Many sister then I yanka. You two fools are coast we so no na ope. And then so when the ayo. Sika bebe ba say wa coast on kedi twa bet crampa and kaidi.
Fear. Okay, okay. Ubonio. Utu me phoneamentie. And a coast to make a chairman say, and Yameso Bema and no.
Hey.
Na me fata see me bobra. And a level don't change. Me see you mate. Yeah, wonko. Nemo misuno kose. Min sem nyina wo mitirim. Da mankasa okwa onfa menko. Me dana sipi.
Enne sana kose ka kire. We di usika mana san wie no. Afa no we hu sa wo nya ne so bema. Okwa amane nko. Why, bra? Odene maame nyina omfo mumu so yale nko. Ati. Okwa amane nko. Penny for crown, Pubu baby say, Ejebi wa, Ejebi tiasi. Akose si okwa amane nko. Obenya oba papa kra o chen. Ati. Menso, why? Be a very fine. Because I'm quite bimbro. Okay.
Kofi. Akos has finally left with that guy from the city. I tried talking to her, advising her as a friend and a sister. But no, she wouldn't listen to me. She's gone.
What? So Akos left with that guy? So Ako did not remember all the sacrifices I made for her? God. I sold all my crops to take care of her. I've sold everything in my cocoa farm to give it to this girl and her mother. Akos did not remember any of these sacrifices I made for her. Really? Now look at me. I've got nothing else left. So Akos did not even say a word to me before going. She did not even say goodbye to me. Wow. I wish her well, if that's what she wants.
Right now, Kofi, my little advice to you, as a friend, is that try and pick up the pieces of your life left. Look, they have a saying that when one door closes, another one opens. Who knows? Maybe she was just a hindrance or an obstacle blocking your blessings from coming. Maybe this is God's own way of removing any trash from your life that will allow the blessings to flow. It is well. Me, I believe things will be fine very soon. Okay. It's well. Please. It's well. It's well. Things will be fine very soon. Okay.
Enti mame, enti bra me bra wo wona wo pa no ho nyina enda se na modi sia ne ka ho. Mame, bra me bra bre, especially wo titiru, wo to me da ha wo pochechecheche, wo da ha wo pochecheche. Every week bia wo yare, every week bia me bra to wo ho aduro. Enda de se na modi sia ne ka. Yo, mumunti o no aduro aku no ho, ena mo wo na wo ba no ho nti. Mame, sa na e ya de.
Aha o. Unia be ma no. Ana no kon ebia no kon do owu.
Sa na o ka kire me.
Se bia wono no kon ana do owu, ana wo ka owu ahwe. Ana wunyini. Na se wo so owu ahwe, wa begina ha ya bra mpa cho wo. Mi amigina he. Maba mfie ho. Abimonu ya be ma no ewudura no. Me ba na wanya baabi akwata oni kro kese ma na som adwo no. Wa ba kro mia, e de edura bra wunu ya be ma no. Na so wono wanya ho na ne kondo owu na se wo ka owu ahwa, mama na kwa mani wu e. Na adan. Senye wono gwani ni pe odi kan wo be wu.
Mame. Hwe. Emprenfo na bu omo bebi se abaye de botechi no eno na ye de boba.
Ewra. Susuma won sam memenim nyesa mediade be chimoni so bi e wo ho.
Kofi. Inti tiem pa potinti ena nka wo kwaje okrefu nsem. Kofi. Se woni oba na tena No bani se won pe obiem. Na woko. Enu nti ukwaje okra fi unsem. Tepi. Na semu yankasa kasa kura na ye hu ye kan. Ye ka kire o se Kofi ekwan a wo koi enye. Kofi mimleme o. Isa se sa time no odo na akekire o. Kofi. For we esua de ema wo. So afutu ade bia me di tu nkrofo. Se me so wo de be kokofa 18 ni 16 fo. Amoma broken heart no. Aka fafa panyini. Fafa mu a omachini a omunya kun ne bi. Isa so omo no expiring date ya che wom. Itu ko ho ape na ache. No beke bia no di so. Because onim so ye rough. Uja na pe onya biem. Na 18 4 ni 16 4 idie. Hey, inomi. You got. Udi touch ngam keke kura 20 pesos a obenya no. Sisi a. Nti aba ni sen na akoye investment wo we num bi sei so. Kofi.
Kofi. Kofi. How are you doing?
Sit down.
Kofi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
I came to see how you are doing, and also I brought you lunch. I know by this time you are hungry.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I appreciate
You're welcome.
it. Thank you.
Kofi, I had a dream last night. And in the dream, my grandmom gave me 3 lotto numbers. And I think that if we are to take these numbers, we will win big.
What? Are you serious about this?
I'm very... In fact, I even brought money. You see how serious I am. I brought money. Take everything, no. Everything. Here.
Hey. Who is serious, pa?
Sure. Many brave what is it?
I'm
very hopeful. Very, very hopeful.
We are sure, say me.
For our GD to me, see a baby. Don't worry, cry. Stick everything, no. Everything. Don't worry.
C'est Mendia.
Oh, Kofi.
C'est Mendi Lotoya.
GD, sir. You be pan. Tell me skabai, no.
We are sure.
Very sure.
Okay, then let's quick. Let's go.
No, go print down for you.
Let's go.
Did you read? Come on, though. Did you read? Eh?
Wow, really?
Ma, taking me time up coming sound where your name are. Oh, Draco.
Eh? Me that say, why I did. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Wow.
Now, only in your bedroom, sir.
Yeah.
Ene, nyame tie sufre. We tie Bible. Ade nyame aye. We national. Sure banker. Me sha. Na matodi. Sure. 21, 23, 13. Sure banker.
Ay. Akos. E ba ni sen. Eye den kan bibie. No, mamma, me wish I'm to go. Oh, yes, I am. I'm into my best. Ako kasa me wona minim de koso wa brabom. Mami. Kasa wate. Mami. Anko yo. Sanko yo sese. Sana brantie no. Police neta ne chief onko kesi di mu. Tina we jani abese. Ai. Ah? Mentia se police for hwe no kwan be so. Oye kwafo. Ah? Ablante fe no obene na man we kwafo. Ai. And I said, Dako, you will feel any phone ring. And I make up a cane call. And I depend beside me direction. I buy a fee. Me not me fee say. And the partners leave me. I'm in my direction. Just in better, you know. Ni buffy, but me not mention. And Chebia. Me say ante bia na police for e be try dan mu hia so mo hwehwe no na mo achi no mame mo achi no mo de ne ko okodem say me ni capre ma me ni she scan na o me hu na me da fa ka be du cross lori fepe na kra me na ma bedu me ni shame and I see anansi no start say or disguise here or me account mu mame e na say me abedu me wa say so menyem ekuya wasi ya nyima kasa tibia wewu enso mame metie na me fisa me yale ne ko yale ne nko ye me hu ntomi o ewo kwa na wode me na me widie mu woso ako me hu ntomi nti sesei wasana di nyinsɛn asia beka tibia we o sa ablante mi hunu na sam kai asemi e bobo ba asemi hunu me kan yo ai Suna na die besi enya si ewie bibie ne ho a betumi aye hohwe mama ati kofi nka o se kofi wo ho na nyankopon so akira kofi a ma kofi ntumi ni sika meba sika kofi enya no ei nani die minim se kofi besi age yen anasa wanye ye no
michawo mejoso wedi enya bone na maami bi ene ne ba hofe kama bi eho epese hu kakra
kona go from bra
Nyanyo beni edieni enyama beni
ajua nanti wasi momo bra what oh Mrs. Stay mbacho ma mo trans David Mr. Koshe fridge mo na baby bibro mo no
Master papa bi wade na ho oketachie wadawro ma ya numbi oh tesa nya menwo why
yo ene ko na ko train nanti bibie ni a mefro mi hia bibia why okay Ajo, it's on Kwaso.
Masi, Bemena, Bema Kukudrufo, Papa B. Me say, wo yere eneja, so two kind. Aha. Bibi na ankoye na muntemu a kasa bi na nso mpanimfo kra se. Ese ni takrama kra womko. Nti woni akosu de obia ntumi nse muntem. Otu kwa wo baayi. Wonim baabi a wo sesei. Eja, ese se me so ne nsa na me de wa de brew. Nti so hu ye wo ha. Wo yire na masa na brew.
Wo se wo de na yire abre no. Ayemra me bra wa ye oba no ade. Wa wale ama no. Mo de amamo sole fi hanko. Mo be wa ade am de be ye mo. Ebu fuse. Kwati me kwati ya me se me send wo yire abre.
Adwa mo hihye ne se anka obi enkume no mbometu na madwe nyina ne se kamensai kaminwu na mentete mewie yemra ba won nyame obo so nya sase wa mana ba ne sada obi dumfo obi ene ohia me oboa me enne hwene yamaye hwefi ameti ene saa nipa wonno ene ma medu bebe medu
wa ya dio frene bra ne yena na sesa da de enye hwe ye beda na sedodo
baby
Sweetheart.
come over.
Mami onwa awo bi kunu wotumi abefe na no asade wonsa hye ne nsɛntem sawo yesi ehire sa wonyi ohu ni papa na ate wo no wonse wayi chese wasimi benechi ya wonya wate ha
ma eye abutre ko akoma to ye why bibi ya be fine why
yo
asem na waka ma chiu de bi me se mesu ma chiu de bi
ade papa
isan se won so ma apare ebra me na oba no enam me ne twempena no o ka kire me se enye ne so nam eneme so be ma eneme ono so frame so guy I say that guy now say me your dehye afi na frame yakwa ma o ka kire me se me cancer abiu na ma no bo me efre obey se me yire a oba ko ka kire ohene no nya chim de bia enne won so ahemfie me ne omienu ye ba kopi
oh papa madama besro fachame enu de me kana wa manokokotwea mesro mpanimfo se ye tekrema de yenum echi anamo se patriu se ya wanhwe ye babiedu be kwa kogunu mesro madama fachame wate mempo so de asem cha na mfa hwenje be mena
mesro David Owusu ene Patrick Safo mo am disini biaba oba na me ne me sister ene me yere ne yehwe eni age pa
be mena
ai
fachame wate upa cho
We all wear masks, everyone, every day. Sometimes we wear them so much and forget who we really are. And sometimes if we are lucky, someone comes along and shows us who we really are, or who we should be. We all wear masks, everyone, every day. Sometimes we wear them so much